Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany, and today I'm just giving an update on my hair. So I have come to the conclusion that my hair has been over moisturized and is in need of a lot of protein. So far I have done the Hygral two-step treatment, so it's the protein and then a moisturizer. I think I noticed a slight improvement. I've also been using products with protein, a protein gel, I'll put a picture here, and other items that do have protein in them. Today is Monday. Last Sunday I did the two-step treatment. I'm thinking about doing it again in a few days. It says you don't need it for 4 to 6 weeks, but because my hair is over moisturized, I feel like I need to do it sooner. Other things I've been doing to help fix this issue is pre-pooing. I've pre-pooed my hair with coconut oil before washing it. I watched and read a lot of videos and articles that claims that coconut oil protects the hair from hygral fatigue. Hygral fatigue is the worst of the over moisturization, over conditioning of your hair. I don't know when my hair officially became over moisturized, but I did notice a few months ago that my hair wasn't feeling the same and I wasn't sure what the problem was. So initially I thought that I wasn't getting enough moisture. I had to come back from vacation in Florida. We were in the pool. I did deep condition my hair after the pool, but I thought that was the problem. I probably over moisturized, and I started doing wash and goes that were not lasting how my wash and go would last. And I also used a lot of products that people swear by that were just not working for me. So I wasn't sure if it was a product that my hair just didn't like or my hair wasn't acting right. But then I noticed my hair was more frizzy, my curls were not holding. Right now my hair is in a twist out. I put it in big twists after washing, deep conditioning, and putting a leave-in and a oil over it just to hold in some moisture. I don't want to not moisturize my hair as well because I don't know what actually works. So I'm using moisturizers with protein that will help my hair get strong again. Another reason I noticed that my hair wasn't right was when I pull it, it would snap. Like it would stretch really far and then snap. Usually my hair doesn't snap like that. It just felt really stringy and then it was easily breaking. Also, I noticed that I had a lot more shedding and a lot more lost hair when I washed my hair. At first I thought it was stress because I've been very stressed out with my job and just everything that's going on. So I'm not sure if they are working together to making more issues, but I thought it was stress at first. So I even moisturized my hair more thinking, oh, I need to make sure it's not drying out. I believe that's what caused more of the over moisturization. Another treatment I'm going to try is this Cream of Nature protein treatment. It has similar instructions to the Hygral two-step treatment, but different ingredients, I believe. I'm gonna hope and guess that the Cream of Nature one is more natural. Yeah, they have different ingredients. I'm hoping to get my hair back on track. It sucks when you love doing your hair, but you know something is wrong, so you have to kind of not do it as much. So I've been putting it in protective styles that's twist pretty much all the time. Right now my twists are down. I will retwist them when I'm done and just try to not manipulate it as much because I noticed when detangling my hair was breaking. It was not regular shedded hair, it was breaking, it was breakage. And I noticed that. I initially also thought that maybe my ends, sometimes when your ends need a trim, your wash and goes kind of don't work as well, but once you get a trim, it snaps back. That didn't happen. If you missed my video of me trimming my own hair, I will link it up here and down below so you can check it out. I used my length check t-shirt from White Palm, and that helped me just gauge how much hair I was trimming at a time. Also, the shirt I'm wearing right now is from White Palm. It just says, always late, don't hate. This is actually a reflective shirt. If I can put in a picture, I will, so you can see how the reflective design looks on the shirt. Yeah, I will have an update on my hair when I get to the next step in this. I know that people have said that it could take months to get it back to normal. I'm hoping it doesn't take me that long because I can't do much with my hair when it's in this state because I'm afraid of over manipulating it, which will cause more breakage. Let me know if you've ever experienced anything like this. It's the opposite of protein overload, so it's a moisture overload. And if you have, let me know what you've done and how you fixed it. If there's a product out there that did so great for you, I would love to know because I want to get past this as soon as possible. I don't think I mentioned this, but another thing that might have contributed to this might have been deep conditioning overnight. There are some times that I wash my hair and I have every intention of finishing the whole wash and go or whatever style I'm doing that night, but something happens. It could be something with my child, or I just get tired and I'm just over it for the day. So I just put my hair in a deep conditioner and I'll cover it with the plastic cap, and my expectation would be to wash it out in the morning, but sometimes starting to work, getting the child ready for school and all that, my hair might not be washed out until later on in the day. So that's just an over deep conditioning that is just unnecessary. So that might be a problem. We're gonna figure this out. I'm only gonna use an overnight deep conditioner if it says so, or maybe not even if it's unnecessary. And I'm just gonna deep condition as it's stated on the deep conditioning package. If I don't feel like doing my hair in the night, I'm just gonna wait for the next day. I feel like if I'm doing too much, it's better to just wait for the whole thing. I don't want to rush. I don't want to have to do anything that would jeopardize my hair anymore. That's it. I hope that this video was helpful to someone, and I hope you can help me in the comments if you have experienced this or know someone that has experienced this or know of a good protein treatment that I might not know of. Please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.